Your laptop without a password is basically an open book. Anyone who picks it up has full access to your files, your accounts, and your personal information. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up a password on Windows 10 so that never becomes a problem for you. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is open your settings. You can do that by clicking the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen and selecting the gear icon, or just press Windows +I on your keyboard, which is honestly the faster way to get there. Once settings is open, look for the account section and click on it. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see a list of options. Go ahead and click on Sign In Options. You'll notice there are actually several ways to sign into Windows here, things like PIN, fingerprint, and facial recognition. But what we're focused on today is the password option, so scroll down until you see it and click on it. If you don't have a password set yet, you'll see a button that says Add. Click on that. Windows will now ask you to create your password. Type in something strong, ideally a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbol. The next field is asking you to repeat that same password. This is just a confirmation step to make sure everything was typed correctly. You'll also have the option to add a password hint, which can be useful if you ever forget it. Just avoid making it too straightforward for others to guess. Once you're happy with it, hit Next and then Finish. From this point forward, every time you start up your PC or lock your screen, which you can do anytime with Windows +L by the way, Windows will prompt you to enter that password before granting access. It's a small step, but it makes a real difference in keeping your information secure. Thank you for watching.